Tirumala limniaci, the blue tiger, is a species of butterfly found in South Asia and Southeast Asia that belongs to the brush-footed butterfly family, Nymphalidae. More specifically, it is part of the crows and tigers or Danade group. This butterfly shows gregarious migratory behavior in southern India. In some places, it may be found in congregations with Danaus genutia, Tirumala septentrionus, Euplea sylvester, Euplea cor, Parantica aglia, and at high elevations, with Parantica nilgiriensis, on Crotalaria.